We're here at Llantarnam Grange in Cwmavon today to celebrate the end of our Create Community Champions project. Since January, we've been running community art sessions with the focus of using the arts and general creativity to support people's well-being, but also encourage them to be more creative in their daily life and maybe share with their peers at the end of the project, where they've learned how to sew, they've learned to spend time with each other, they've learned to make friends, and they've learned printmaking techniques as well. I was visited by somebody from Contact Care. We chatted about lots of things that could be done, and printing stood out like a beacon to me then, basically. I'd done a little bit of it in school years ago, but I've forgotten all that, haven't I? It had gone.
Well, initially, through Torfaen, Karen Stott, one of the community coordinators, came along and spoke to us because some of the group from the Wednesday afternoon Cwmavon craft group wanted to further their skills with learning stitching.
Printmaking has a unique ability, I think, to really engage people in a process, and you can almost get lost in that. And there isn't any such thing as failure.
Bill would take us through different techniques, and I just had a couple of hours of just mindful enjoyment.
Just creating a nice warm atmosphere for people to come and feel safe.
If you could express yourself as you wished, and each week I became more confident.
I think people are surprising themselves with how good they are and how much they can do.
The exhibition behind us here is testament to how brilliant the participants were.
My daughter and I came together, which was also really lovely. It's just having those couple of hours, seeing what other people were doing and other people's individual takes on it.
I've just been delighted by the enthusiasm of the group.
Hello, my name's Maurice Chambers. I'm a community worker in the Cwmavon area of Torfaen, and I've been helping to facilitate sessions. I'm quite an arty person myself, but I'd never done anything that was process driven before, like printmaking. Groups that I was involved in were absolutely lovely. They were all community members from many different backgrounds, and some of them were in art groups themselves and were able to bring some of their experience into the group as well.
The whole idea is that we're creating community champions. These community champions were able to use creativity in the community to support their peers with their well-being.
After the initial 12 weeks finished with Rhian, we wanted to continue. Applied for funding from the lottery grant, which is enabling us to continue for 2 years.
I have made connections with people. There are other people running groups.
Definitely going to pursue my interest in art, be whatever form.
It was a real reminder of the importance of creativity.
It's led to a really embedded, solid, creative group here in Cwmavon and Torfaen, and it's been really exciting to see how those people will use that in the community going forward.